Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML encoding character sets. And right now we'll be discussing about ASCII character sets. The ASCII character sets uses the values from 0 to 31 and 127 for control characters. ASCII uses the values from 32 to 126 for letters, digits, and symbols. ASCII does not use the values from 128 to 255. Let me repeat this for you guys. The ASCII uses the values in different ways. So let me show you how it uses the values. ASCII uses the values from 0 to 31 and 127 for control characters. ASCII uses the values from 32 to 126 for letters, digits, and symbols. ASCII does not use the values from 128 to 255. Grab that, please, and let it stick it into your brain. We are talking about the ASCII character set. The ASCII uses what? It uses the values from 0 to 31 and 127 for control characters. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, up to 31, along with what? Along with 127 for control characters. And it uses the values from 32 to 126. 32, don't you forget, 32 to 126 for letters, digits, and symbols. And again, ASCII does not use the values from 128 to 255. So in our previous tutorial, we'll be discussing about ASCII, ANSI, ISO, and UTF-8 character sets. But right here, I'm trying to explore all this for you guys very well in deep detail, so you can understand the difference between all these elements, all these character sets and coding. So in our next tutorial, I'm still going to explore more about this. So I don't want this tutorial to get too long. Anwar Akorede, Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much.